Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, make sure you grab a pencil and paper so you can take notes as you follow along. So today's topic is solving systems of equations using substitution. And our example is y equals 4x minus 7 and y minus 2x equals 5. So they call these systems of equations because there are two equations. And the solutions to these systems of equations are ordered pairs. Remember, your ordered pair will always have an x value and a y value. So let's get started. All right, so my first example is solved for y, which lets me know that y is equivalent to 4x minus 7. So in order to use the substitution method, I'm going to take the value 4x minus 7 and I'm going to plug it into my second equation. So when I rewrite this, R means rewrite. Remember that I'm using the second equation. All right, so I'm going to replace the y with 4x minus 7. And then I'm going to bring down the other information. So when I rewrite the equation using the substitution method, my new equation becomes 4x minus 7 minus 2x equals 5. So now I'm only dealing with an equation that includes the same variable x. So the next step is to combine my like terms. So my like terms are 4x minus 2x and that simplifies to 2x. And then, of course, bring everything else down. All right, once you do this, then I'm going to go back to using my strategy with the house. So I'm going to put my house around the term that I'm trying to the term that includes the variable that I'm trying to solve for. And then of course my equal sign is where my road or my street goes. And we're focused on the side, the left side, because that's where our variable is. And the house strategy works like this. You want to start by moving all of the terms that are on the outside of the house, that are on this side. And you do that by doing your inverse operations. So the opposite or the inverse of minus 7 is plus 7. Negative 7 plus 7, we said cancels. I'm going to bring down my 2x equals, and 5 plus 7 simplifies to 12. Now remember, my 2x is still representing my house. And I need only for my x to be inside the house. So I need to separate the 2 and the x. The operation between 2 and x is multiplying, so the inverse of that is going to be dividing. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Those will cancel, and you're left with x equals 12 divided by 2 simplifies to 6. So x will equal 6. All right, so my solution, we now have half of it. The x value is 6. We need to find the y value. And I'm going to use my x equal to 6 to find the y value. I'm going to go back to using the first equation, which is y equals 4x minus 7. And I'm using that equation because it's already solved for y. So it's going to be the easier equation to use. All right, so in this case, we're still doing substitution. I'm going to have y equals, instead of 4 times x, I'm going to have 4 times 6, and then bring down my minus 7. All right, once you do that, then you're going back to your rules for please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and that tells me to multiply first. So y is going to equal 24 minus 7, and then last, subtract those to get 17. So my y value is 17. So my solution to this system of equations is 6, 17. All right, I want you to take a second to kind of internalize that. I'm going to do a part B to this video so that I can go over how you would check your solution. But for right now, I just want you to focus on being able to use the substitution method. And I should have labeled this part A and part B. All right, so if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to like the video and make sure you subscribe to Math with Marilyn and share. See you next time.